Do you know how to handle an E355 loss of panel supervision report from an AlarmNet communicator? This report can either be very helpful or very annoying depending upon how you define or use it. So, what does this report mean, and how can we use it for increased security? Anytime an AlarmNet communicator loses connection with a control panel that's connected via the keypad bus, it generates this report to say, "I no longer see my control panel." There are a number of things that can cause this. We'll mention a few here. Bad wire connection going to the communicator. Control panel powered down. Wire shorted on the keypad bus. Another device on the same address. Incorrect device address set on the communicator. And last, no common ground. If powering the control panel from an alternative source, you must make sure to common the ground, or negative wire between the control panel and communicator. Let's talk about data shorts. If any of the data wires on the keypad bus are shorted together, this can interrupt the communication to the communicator. Using an ECP/ISO short isolator to separate all field wiring can prevent this from happening. What about the device address? We recommend always using address 3. Vista 128 and 250 series panels allow you to choose a different address. However, some versions will generate a repeated runaway E355 message if you do not use address 3. Considering these issues, why would I be alarmed if I received an E355 message from a system outside of the normal "it's not working" protocol? What if someone broke into a home or business and smashed or destroyed the keypad? If this destruction ended up shorting a data wire, the radio would be unable to communicate, and would generate an E355 message. But, how would you know what really happened on site? How would you know that this is an event that requires immediate investigation? The answer lies in the level of security that the site requires, or that you promise to deliver. To answer that question with the highest level of security, you first must monitor open and close reports. If the system is armed and this event occurs, it very well could be an alarm condition. Without knowing the arming state of the system, the threat level is unknown. In summary, if monitoring commercial accounts where keypads have been damaged in the past before, I recommend monitoring open and close status, and set up the account to start dispatch procedures when an E355 is received. Or, if you just want to offer the highest level of security for the site, I recommend the same. Alternatively, installing an ECP/ISO short isolator on the keypad field wiring, protecting the communicator from shorts is an option. Doing this would essentially offer the same level of security by preventing the system from not transmitting alarms, and reduces the risk of an unreported intrusion.
We hope this information has been helpful for you. Please share this tech tip with anyone you believe could benefit from it.